Is Raising Cane a good triple net investment? The short and straight answer is yes. It is a great alternative as a triple net investment and also a great alternative for your 1031 exchange. Hi, this is Alex Casablanca. Well, today we came into a brand new Raising Cane's in Orlando, Florida that is just behind me. So let's get inside and let's eat some delicious Raising Cane chicken fingers. Come on in. So I'm right here in Raising Cane trying out the menu. So actually the food is actually very, very high quality. Those are the chicken fingers. They come with a special sauce that it's house made. So I'm gonna give it a try to this thing. These chicken fingers taste absolutely delicious. What really impresses me is the quality of the chicken breast. This is very chicken breast, high quality, which is very different than the usual fast food in which the quality of the food is not that good. This chicken is really, really fresh and very good, high quality. I really, really like it. So we just had lunch in Raising Cane's, and let me tell you, the food was amazingly good. It was a great, great experience. I was very impressed by the quality of the food. The restaurant was jam-packed inside with families, young crowds. It was a very, very good experience. I really liked what I saw inside. And that's the first and most important thing. Go inside, taste the food, look at the inside of the restaurant, look at the surroundings. That's the most important factor. What I really like about Raising Cane's is the business concept. It's the simplicity of the menu. They just sell chicken fingers. So you go inside and they basically have a very simplified menu in which everything is based on one simple product, the chicken finger. And you can actually buy chicken fingers in 4 pieces, 3 pieces. You can also buy a chicken sandwich, which is a chicken finger sandwich. The business concept is very attractive to families with young kids. So the concept of a simplified menu focusing only on chicken fingers, it's certainly the main attractive. Beyond the usual traits that a good triple net investment property should have, like location, demographics, and things like that, the business concept is something that is determinant in the success of the business. In this case, it's very solid, it's appealing, it's simple, and attracts families that just want to eat good chicken. Another thing that really impresses me in a great way was the quality of the food. The chicken fingers are really good pieces of chicken breast. You can see in the quality of the food. It is not the typical low quality type of food that you usually eat in fast food restaurants. It's a great quality food. And that's another thing that is a very good attractive for families and the consumer in general. So to me, I think that the business concept is certainly a winner in this market. Raising Cane's has been expanding aggressively in the Florida market. And as far as I can see, they are doing very good and the acceptance of the consumer has been very good. And that's the reason why I think that it is an excellent opportunity as a triple net investment, and it's an excellent opportunity for your replacement property for your 1031 exchange. One thing I always recommend my clients, number one, go and visit the property. Look at the surrounding, look at the demographics, look at the traffic, and then go inside and eat there. If they sell chicken fingers, go ahead and eat chicken fingers. If you notice, this Raising Cane's is located in a hard signalized corner in an area in which the average daily traffic is over 20,000 vehicles per day. So that's very important because at the end of the day, for you as an investor, what you want is they do good in that location, that they sell plenty of chicken fingers so they can pay your rent. And when a tenant provides that strong business concept, it's certainly a reassurance for you as a triple net investor that you are putting your money in a very good investment. And to me, from the context and the perspective of a triple net investment, this is such an important factor. Two important key elements make Raising Cane's a great triple net investment alternative. Number one, the business concept, a simplified menu focusing only on chicken fingers with high quality food. And number two, the location. This is a strategic location in a hard signalized corner with a strong average traffic and strong demographics as well. When you combine those two factors, that will make it an excellent and strong triple net investment alternative. So today we went inside and we ate chicken fingers, and my goodness, the chicken fingers were so good. I was actually very, very impressed. Knowing more about their business concept, knowing more about what they are doing right here in Florida, that Raising Cane's makes a great investment opportunity and a great alternative for your 1031 exchange replacement property. So Alex Casablanca signing off from the Raising Cane's in Orlando, Florida. Have a great day.